Hi there, CS50. Today I'm going to be presenting a walkthrough of my Wikipedia page project. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with the first section, which is the entry page. So as you can see here, I'm visiting wiki / the title of one of the entries that it pulls up the entry's actual page. All right, and displays the contents of the encyclopedia entry. In the view, gets the encyclopedia entry by calling the util function that was provided in the code. All right, we can see that, for example, if we request an entry that does not exist, for example, just entry, it provides an error message saying that the entry you search for does not exist. Please return to home and check if that entry exists in the list. All right. Now, if an entry does exist, for example, let's head to wiki / let's say Django, or better yet, let's just do CSS again since we were just on it. CSS, it redirects me back to that entry page. All right. And as you can see here, the title of the page is included in the name of the entry over here, CSS info. All right. So now we're going to go ahead and just present the index page. All right. So you can see here that instead of just listing the names of all the pages, they're actually all links where each one is a link that takes you directly to that entry page. So you can click here on Python, it'll take you to the Python page. You can go back, click on HTML, it'll take you to the HTML page, so forth. All right, just show that all of them are working correctly. All right, and just test this real quick. All right. So search, let's go ahead and test out our search right now. So say, for example, I search for something that matches the name of an encyclopedia entry. Let's just do Git. And I'll show that it also works with, it's not case sensitive. So if I do it lowercase Git, it's going to give me the actual Git page, even though the title is in uppercase. Right, I can also test out, let's see, HT, as you can see, completely different cases. It's uppercase and lowercase, but still gives me the same result, right? And then if something is not, let's see, if something does not match the name of the encyclopedia entry, it should present me something that has that in the substring. So if we want to search up Python and we just search up that, it gives me Python as one of the suggested items. All right, and then as you can see here, click on any one of these entry names, directs me to the entry page. All right, let's go ahead and create a new page now. All right, let's go ahead and create a new page. I'm going to enter a title, so we're just going to say test title and body. I'm going to show that some of the Markdown readings work, so test title, and then a sample text. All right. So here we have just a sample title and some sample text. All right. Let me see. You have a button here to click to save your page. And once the page is saved, it redirects you to the entry page. All right. And then I can also try with something that already is taken. For example, if I want to do something, a title that has CSS in it, just sample text right here, you'll see it gives me an error. The title is already taken. Please try another one. Okay, edit page. Let's go ahead and head back to edit page. I'm sorry. So let's just click on Django right here, edit this page. As you can see, the text area is pre-populated with the existing Markdown content. All right. So you can see it as the Markdown content, the hashtag, and all these other symbols right here. You can say I don't want this to be, I just want that to be normal text. I don't want it to be a heading. I can just click on Save Changes. Once I make the change, it redirects me back to that page. All right, and you can see this is no longer an actual heading. Okay, random page. I can click a random page. It'll send me to any page, and it gives me the updated page as well, as you can see. So yep, and it also gives me pages that I recently made. All right, and then as you already showed in the Markdown to HTML conversion, all the pages are shown correctly.